This 5-minute solution will show you how to change notification sounds for different contacts on Telegram. So if you have a bunch of different conversations in your Telegram and now you want to customize your conversation notification sounds, follow these quick steps. And the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. Open your Telegram app, open the conversation, tap on the conversation name at the top, tap on mute, tap on customize. Make sure to select notification always on, message preview always on, story notifications always on, and here you will get this alert tone of section, and from here you can easily select sounds notification, then tap on done. Now open another conversation the same way. You can select a different notification sounds for this conversation. So this is how we can change notification sounds for contact on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.